I am here today at Jyoti CNC Automation Limited's booth at HIMTEX 2024. Here with me today is Mr. Sai Prakash, Managing Director, Manjra Machine Builders Private Limited. Sir, could you please tell us a bit about what your company produces, where your factory is located?
My factory is located in Patancheru industrial area. We manufacture all defense components, right from DRDO to VSSC, different organizations. We manufacture large components in aluminum and steel. We have in-house forging facility, heat treatment, and finish machining.
Currently, do you have any Jyoti machinery on your factory floor?
And when we started CNC machining, first originally we imported one double column vertical machining center. From there, second machine we added Jyoti CNC, and from that time onwards we added 6 more machines of large size double column machines of Jyoti. The only one machine is that imported machine, and all other machines are Jyoti machine, double column. We are very happy with the price wise and the quality wise. We are very happy with that. We are going and we are adding some more machines of Jyoti.
Could you please describe your experience with Jyoti CNC machinery in terms of how it has enhanced your operations?
Basically, CNC machining itself is a process for faster machining, and we would like to avoid import. And when Jyoti machine is able to give the same quality of imported machinery and the same quality of fast process machining, we are very happy. And the price wise also is they are very competitive compared to imported machinery, and we are able to get the same quality, more or less reasonable same quality. That's why we are buying mostly Jyoti machines.